Good afternoon, and thank you for taking the time to learn about PayCargo. I'm Leo Flessler. I'm Director of Business Services for PayCargo Europe. I originally developed the product's initial design and provide system solutions like integration with major carriers since the beginning of PayCargo. I'm currently in charge of the implementation and growth of the PayCargo solution in the European market. Today I'll show you a PowerPoint about PayCargo so you can learn why so many freight companies are using our solutions and learn more about our company. So let's start very quickly. Let's start to talk about PayCargo. PayCargo is a simple electronic payment solution for importers, exporters, freight forwarders, and even agents that use our system for every cargo-related payment they have to make on a daily basis. We provide electronic tools that automate the payment process by reducing inefficiencies and cost on both sides. We are very good at integrating systems. Any type of system, small, mid, and large systems can be integrated and used through PayCargo. Main benefits of our customers have are the reduction in payments and collection administrative costs by 50% through automation, the matching process, and payment approvals, basically. The reduction of invoicing processing time, the reduction of errors due to manual data input, the ability to pay or get paid in just one single place. Some of our major payers and vendors are top 20 steamship lines, top freight forwarders like Kuehne+Nagel, DB Schenker, DHL, UPS, CEVA, and also in the United States we have some terminals like Maher, GCT, PNCT, FIT, PUHA, and VIP. So let's continue with PayCargo overview. PayCargo is an B2B online payment platform originally built by First Data Corporation. PayCargo was strictly designed for the cargo industry by cargo experts. We currently have more than 10,000 payers registered. In our system, as you can see, the top ones are part of our list. We also have 2,500 vendors registered, and we're fully integrated with 14 logistics software providers and 5 major import shipper associations. Also, PayCargo last year processed over $1 billion. Let's go to the B2B Platform Feature. What basically PayCargo does, what PayCargo is. It's an easy online registration that everybody can go to paycargo.com and register. We will request some customer company information like VAT number or any other information we consider important to have. And of course, the banking billing information for debits and credits. Then of course, we validate the customer information with different sources and activate into the system in a couple of days. So it's a browser-based, no installation required. We provide white-label capabilities also, and for data uploads, like invoicing data, we provide different upload options, like manual option, the regular process, SFTP, secure FTP, the API that we can discuss that later, and we also have what we call the third-party uploader option. It's basically a third-party entity, basically a software company, for instance, who is able to feed PayCargo with their customers' cargo data. For data download, we offer remittance information in different ways, like mainly SFTP, or we can also provide manual reports or scale reports in many different formats. Any format you need, we can provide it. Let's talk now about the PayCargo process. As you will see, the PayCargo payment process is quite simple. It starts with transaction creation that can be either initiated by the payer or the vendor. Step 2 is basically the transaction payment process. Of course, is initiated by the payer when it's ready to make payment. The third step is immediately after the payment has been made, we notify the vendor about this payment for them to either release the cargo in case they didn't release yet, or in order for them to be able to import the information straight into their system. For step 4, it's the remittance information. It's more or less a reporting process that is triggered on a daily basis containing all the transactions that were processed the day before. This remittance information should be, in most of the cases, showing or the vendor will receive at the same time the bank, the vendor will see the credit on its bank account. Let me show you the screenshot of PayCargo platform. This is the payer side, and it's basically after the payer logs into the system and goes to transaction details, you can see the create new transaction buttons enabled for them to click there. And as I told you before, there are just a few fees that are required in order to create a transaction on PayCargo. Better the type is the bill of lading or bill terminal fee or any other type of transaction that can be even customized based on the vendors. The number that's related to this case is bill of lading or Maersk. You can, of course, add as much information as you want. Of course, the total amount is crucial, and the direction if it's an inbound or outbound, import and export, together with the ability for the customer to add a related attachment in almost any format. So the next step would be for the customer, for the payer, to click on the pay button. This is the pre-approval screen where you see all the payment information that you're going to apply. You click on submit payment, and that's pretty much it. You receive the payment confirmation, and immediately after this screen, the vendor will be notified. Let me see if with what we call an approval alert, containing all the details of the transaction for the vendor to be able to reconcile or to be alerted in order to release the cargo if needed. This is a very simple example of remittance information we can provide. It's the most simple version of it. We can customize based on vendor, the payer. We can provide any type of information, any format, as we said. These are the things that we're good at. We can provide a lot of information in different formats, so your systems are able to get, import, and process it immediately without any type of manual input. And of course, what we have is a simple way to interact without the need of going into paycargo.com, but just by using the PayCargo API. The API Basics with the PayCargo API, you can create, submit payments, and get transaction details straight from your system. You can cancel transactions. You can even make rate corrections. Of course, you can get the PayCargo client ID. Sometimes it's necessary, and in case you decide to use our IDs to identify the customer in the system. Of course, we support this web authentication of third party. And of course, we have a sandbox and production environments ready for testing, and of course, when it's ready, it moves to the production environment. And the last addition we made lately is the course, is cross-origin request sharing, which is allows you to um, set up a payment button within your system or within your browser in order to make a automatic payment to through PayCargo without needing to log into our system. For more details about the API documentation, you can go to https api-docs.paycargo.com. I want to thank you very much, and if you have any other requests, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.